Hello. Say hello. My man. What's up, man?
Like, subscribe, or share. MILLERFLOW vlog.
So this is where we're going, trying to enter in. This is just the parking lot area.
Facility featuring over 200 animals. Your admission to the zoo is complimentary. It is included in your Hershey Park admission. Simply go up to where the Triple Towers are located, go across the bridge into the zoo, get your hands stamped upon entering the zoo, and that will allow you to re-enter the park at the conclusion.
We're just waiting for everybody. Gotta now choose to see what ride we're gonna do. Here to come the crew. I don't know. We're gonna enter the Candemonium, y'all. It's a little bit of a wait, but we're gonna do it. Got outruled. We're gonna try and find a shorter ride. I'm looking on the app. They have a Hershey Park App, which is I really like, and it tells you the times of the rides. So we found a shorter one on there. Hopefully the refresh rate is good. So we're gonna check out the next ride. All right, come on, Timmy. Show him that phone. Don't get nervous. Almost. Oh. One more. It's a money ball, right? Oh. Oh. There you go, take your time. That's good. There you go. Oh. Oh. Ah. So Timothy went on his first ride. What did you think, Timmy?
It was okay.
It was okay?
Yeah.
His first roller coaster is what I'm talking about. He went on the Comet. Hello. Say hello. My man. What's up, man?
Offering you panoramic views of Hershey Park. Thrilling coasters and Hollow, including our oldest roller coaster, Comet. The Hollow is also home to our first looping steel coaster, Super Duper Looper, and Sky Rush, a guest favorite. If you listen closely, you may hear the roar of Great Bear. The sound of this inverted coaster is probably even sweeter. This summer, visit our newest region, Hershey Park, Hershey's Chocolate Town, to experience.
We're going on kisses. He is Timmy. He's first time rider. All right, I'm gonna see it in a second.
It's Gila. Gila monster. Daddy, what's this?
Who'd have thought? Working hard for that.
I think that's Scarlet. I don't remember. Snake. That kid looks like that was far off.
He said what? Oh, the guy in the sky.
What if birds get killed?
They'll give you a meal for the bear. Good job. The wave is coming. 7 minutes and 58 So we had a fun time at Hershey Park. Everything was great about the park. We didn't get to do everything, but we did try. We did it what we could in 2 days. Here's some videos I think you would be interested in. Check these out, and we will see you next time on MILLERFLOW Vlogs. Peace.